If you're about to buy a premium gas grill or build an outdoor kitchen online, stop. Put the credit card down. You are about to overpay hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. And the worst part, it's exactly what the industry wants you to do. For those who don't know me, I'm the barbecue coach. Years ago, I founded the DIY outdoor kitchen movement. I showed regular people like you how to build your own luxury barbecue island for a fraction of the cost. And let me tell you, the industry hated me for it. I was undercutting their massive profit margins on pre-built islands. I took money out of their pockets to put it back into yours. But now that I'm retired, I don't care who gets mad. I'm blowing the whistle on the biggest pricing scheme in the business called MAP pricing. Have you ever noticed that when you shop for a premium grill like a Delta Heat or this Wildfire grill, every single website online lists the exact same price down to the penny? And this isn't a coincidence, my friends. It's called MAP, Minimum Advertised Price. These big manufacturers force the little retailers to sign a contract, and it says they cannot display a price lower than the MAP. They can't offer a coupon on the website. They can't offer free extras that lower the total value. They aren't even allowed to put a banner up that says call for a better price. And if they do, they get cut off, and you can even have no warranty from these manufacturers if you buy from one of these illegal dealers. But here is the loophole they hope you never find out about. While they can't advertise a lower price, the federal government says they have the right to sell it to you for whatever they want if you negotiate over the phone. They could legally sell you that $3,000 grill for $1 if they wanted to, as long as it's a private negotiation. So if you want to save 5 to 10% off that brand new Wildfire or premium grill, or maybe get some free extras like a free grill cover and some other stuff, you have to pick up the phone. And here's the exact script I want you to use.
Hello, I would like to buy your $3,000 grill, but I know the MAP pricing scam and I want 10% off.
It's a deal.
Call one of the top online retailers on my list below. When you get a sales rep on the line, tell them exactly what you want to buy, and then hit them with this offer based on your total spend. If your order is under $5,000, ask for 5% off plus free shipping. If your order is over $5,000, ask for the 10% off plus free shipping. And if your order is over $10,000, ask for 10% off, some free extras, maybe some grill covers, infrared burner, and the free shipping. And tell the rep and say this exactly: I'm ready to buy this package today, but I know how MAP pricing works. I'd like to purchase this for, you'd say, the 5 or 10% below MAP price. Can you make me this deal? And if they say no, hang up. Do not hesitate. Just hang up and call the next guy on the list. Someone wants the commission. Someone will take this deal. And listen to me closely. Free shipping is mandatory. These grills are heavy. Freight shipping can cost hundreds of dollars. If they give you the discount but charge you the shipping, you didn't win anything. The deal must include free shipping. If the grill is between $1,500 and $2,000, it's harder to get the 10%. Their margin is too small, but at least fight for the 5%. The industry hates that I'm telling you this. They want you to click, add to cart like a sheep, and pay full retail. Don't do it. Use the phone, use my script, and keep that money in your pocket where it belongs. I put a link below to my top recommended retailers to try this on. Go give them a call, tell them the barbecue coach sent you. Good luck, my friends.